La connaissance est la seule vraie richesse.
Le droit doit servir le peuple. Pas le diviser.
Article 1134. Les conventions légalement formées tiennent lieu de loi à ceux qui les ont faites. Elles ne peuvent être révoquées que de leur consentement mutuel ou pour les causes que la loi
Je crois que l'éducation peut sauver notre nation. Sans elle, nous répéterons nos erreurs.
Un compromis peut retarder la guerre.
Alors nous tenterons le compromis.
Un atelier de Buffalo, aiguille à la main, j'ai cousu mes rêves sur un drap américain. Maintenant c'est la chambre, feu sur le pupitre, je couds des compromis sur un rythme électrique. Je signe, je lâche le stylo comme on laisse tomber une bombe, la pétille
Je préfère un compromis imparfait à une guerre parfaite.
Monsieur le Président, tout repose maintenant sur vous. Alors je n'ai pas le droit d'échouer.
Un compromis peut retarder la guerre?
Dans ce cas, tentons le compromis.
Attendez le bon moment pour parler. Messieurs, écoutez-moi. Je préfère un compromis imparfait à une guerre parfaite.
Cette clause peut apaiser le Sud.
Et celle-ci protéger le Nord.
Compromis, éviter la bire. Clause pour le Sud, clause pour le Nord. On joue l'équilibre au bord du décor. Un faux pas et tout s'écroule à pétien. Un
C'est pas une victoire, mais c'est une chance.
Une chance vaut mieux que le sang.
Ils disent que vous avez trahi la justice.
J'ai choisi la paix.
La paix se nourrit de justice, monsieur.
On vous accuse, on vous condamne. Ils veulent du feu, ils veulent des flammes. J'ai choisi la paix, même si elle divise. Car le sang versé ne cicatrise.
On va gagner du temps, pas la victoire, mais parfois retarder change l'histoire. Si l'union survit même sans gloire, alors mon silence vaudra mémoire.
Compromis, compromis.
Knowledge is the only wealth no one can steal.
Without education, we repeat our worst mistakes. With it, we rise.
I choose an imperfect compromise over a perfect war. This clause calms the South, and this protects the North.
Hold that line another week! We need votes, not soldiers!
This is a dead end.
A compromise buys time. Then we buy time.
Union is cracking. We move now, or we lose it.
Not with bullets. With reason.
This is gonna be uncomfortable. We bought time. Not peace.
Sign it and you buy us time. Refuse and the Union burns.
Time is all I can give. What we do with it, that's the fight yet to come.
He didn't end slavery. He didn't unite the nation. But with one advisor, Sylvain Cases, he held the country together just long enough.
I done lost too many brothers to the streets. 10 steps up, don't miss a beat. When I eat, we all eat. Private jets to California. Good vibes here, but we bout it, I warned ya. If it's on you and I need it, I'm on ya. We live a good life in California. Palm trees, good breeze. Yacht life on the seas. Speedboat with the skis. I fulfill my needs. Good life in California. Good life in California. Good life in California. We live a good life in California. Whoa, flipper. Have it. Good view, my crew in Malibu. My crew. Get money, whatever I do. Don't change whatever I do. I'm in the water with my water on. Gang goes with me, I'm not alone. 2 bitch per person, we get it on. The sky their body, I just smoke the zone. Good clean drink in LA. You gotta smoke cookie when you're in the Bay. I got a big castle back home in the A. Good Cali living, I'm here to stay. Expensive clothes I wear. I'm in the hillside, North Bel Air. Black boy, black bottle, pop Bel Air. Good vibes here, you mad, don't care. I swear. Whoa. I've been through it all. Told my mama we gon' win it all. I did. Good support, can't fall. I give my music my all. Whoa. We do ski doos. First time you rock, no redo. We're all winners, can't lose. You're heaven, I am too. Whoa. Flipper. I done lost too many brothers to the streets. 10 steps up, don't miss a beat. When I eat, we all eat. Private jets to California. Good vibes here, but we bout it, I warned ya. If it's on you and I need it, I'm on ya. We live a good life in California. Palm trees, good breeze. Yacht life on the seas. Speedboat with the skis. I fulfill my needs. Good life in California. Good life in California. Good life in California. We live a good life in California. Whoa, flipper. One check, I can reflood my wrist and neck. Word around town, then I was next. Roll around that town, I'm next. Shut up. I was popping shit with a snapback on. I turn my life through a microphone. Never downgrade, get a bigger home. Every king need a queen, come around nothing on. Come here. Thank God we beat our cases. I tricked out my basement. Overseas, we travel places. Smile hard, I should hit it, say taste cheese. Old school original got rallies. We all must cars just like a rally. When I'm in the house, still smoke on Cali. We live a good life living in Cali. Swear. Flipper. I done lost too many brothers to the streets. 10 steps up, don't miss a beat. When I eat, we all eat. My private jet to California. Good vibes here, but we bout it, I warned ya. If it's on you and I need it, I'm on ya. We live a good life in California. Palm trees, good breeze. Yacht life on the seas. Speedboat with the skis. I fulfill my needs. Good life in California. Good life in California. Good life in California. We live a good life in California. Whoa, flipper. Have it.